shit. Shh, it's okay.
Lend me some ass.
KS Kasner made it rain with €4.31. Did you get the water by the door mopped up? Or are we just ignoring it?
Oh my god!
Nomi is now my lover.
Good as new. Okay. I think we need a bit more. Just a bit more. Just a bit. It's fine. It's fine. Imagine being kicked out the first day you move in. No, absolutely not. No, back in. No, no, no. Fuck. Wait, you saw Jambo? Wait, you saw Jambo? Okay. Are you joking? Wait, are you chat? No. Are you actually debating me? Where? Where? He's on the... Holy shit. Oh my god.
Mr. Bunions is now my lover.
Holy shit. Who caught that? Who the fuck caught Jambo? Oh, sweetheart, I'm so sorry. Oh, sweetheart, he's scared. Oh, I'm sorry. Who caught him? I thought you were fucking trolling me. Who the fuck saw him up there? Who the fuck? Oh. Oh, Jambo, my love. Let me get you a treat, sweetheart. I'm sorry. Yummy. Oh my god.
Austin Shutt is now my lover. Feed him a magnet.
Come on. You're okay. Good boy. It's okay. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come here. Wanna come down? Come on, you will. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come down here. Whoa, fuck. Not like me though. Come on. Good boy. Good boy, come here. Here. Food. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Here. Come on. It's okay, Jambo. Oh, I feel awful. I feel awful. Jambo, if you can just chill. I'm gonna bring Cornelius and just see. Should I just like bring Cornelius and hold him up? Just see. Alright, Corny. He fell in the sink. Jambo, he fell in the sink. He's not going to be any stress to you. See? You know what I mean? You smell it? Smell his butt. Yo, we out of here. Hey, yo, we gotta go. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, we gotta go. Hey, yo, we gotta go.